Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjit Online Classes, Class 8, English Grammar, Chapter 3, that is pronoun. This exercise I am going to discuss, and I have already taught this chapter. I just review. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or a pronoun phrase. Yes, there are different types of pronouns: personal pronoun, demonstrative, emphasizing or emphatic pronoun, distributive, indefinite, possessive, interrogative, reflexive, relative, and reciprocal. These are all the different types of pronouns. I have taught you previous classes, and you can see textbook and also my videos, and also study well, then you can understand well. So now whatever the exercise here we have to discuss and practice what the book says. Now you can open page number 27. Page number 27, and we shall discuss its exercise. So here, use personal pronoun to complete these sentences. One pronoun can be used more than once. Number 1. My sister Anu loves food. This burger is for her. Number 2. The students loved the documentary on animals. The documentary is for them. Students them. Very simple. That is question number 3. Manju Nath has many picture postcards. Dash collects them. Yeah. He collects them. He collects them. उसको संग्रह करता है. Question number 4. We can discuss. The musicians have shot a new video. Then they are releasing it next week. They are releasing it. Okay. Question number 5. Vansika and Dipti have decided to take a break from work. They are going to Manali for a week. Means they Vansika and means they. Yes, number 6. My husband and I love sweets. On Sunday, I and my husband means we went shopping for extra sweets. Question number 7. Nalini is thorough with her work. Desk completes all her assignments on time. Nalini means a girl, that's why C. Question number 8. Arnav wants to go to Colombo next month. Arnav means who is Arnav? A boy, that's why he is him. Question number 9. The ox had hurt its leg. Yes, ox is an animal, that's why we have to use it. It bellowed all night in pain. 10 number question. Why don't you stop at the store on your way home? Yes, I want some ice cream and a box of wafers. It will be I. You and I. 10 number. You and I. So this is all about this number of learning. Now next point is practice. Another point of this page number 28 is practice. So let's practice, students. Because practice makes it perfect. Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. First number. 1 number. Dash was the journey like. Yeah, what was the journey like? Number 2. Dash knows what will happen next. Who knows? Only yes and God, nobody knows. Like this. आगे क्या होगा कोई नहीं जानते हैं. Number 3. Dash would you rather be, an artist or a musician? Number 3. What would you rather be? What would you rather be? Number 4. Dash are your parents doing these days? ये दिन में पेरेंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं? What are your parents doing these days? Number 5. Dash did you attend the meeting with? Dash did you attend means whom did you attend? Whom did you attend the meeting with? Number 6. Dash received the award on my behalf. Dash received means who received the award on my behalf? Who? 7 number. Dash one of these bottles is yours. Which one of these bottles is yours? Which one? Which one? इनमें से कौन सा? Number 8. Dash of you is going to the fair. 8 number. Which of you? Number 9. Dash are they smelly socks? Whose are these? सब किसका है? 10 number. Dash does Mahima report to at work? Whom does Mahima report to at work? Kisko? Whom? So student, here we discuss this interrogative pronoun and we have to practice this all about the A number of practice. Now let's come to the B number, whether that is pronoun or adjective. Let's discuss about the next point of this chapter. B number, choose the correct option and also state whether it is a pronoun or an adjective. It's okay? So number 1, don't touch that vase. It's mine. It's mine. Mine is pronoun. Number 2, is this your or yours pen? Is this your pen? Your pen is adjective. Adjective. Number 3, we took Johnny to the doctor. Dash one was bleeding. Number 3, her own was bleeding. Her is adjective here. Her is adjective here. Number 4, the children who came for the workshop brought along their toys. Their toys, their toys. There is here adjective. Number 5, I have brought lunch for all of us. The white lunch boxes are ours. Here ours is pronoun. Ours is pronoun. Pronoun. 6 number. I bought a new basket for my pet kitten. That kitten is its का है. So that basket is its. Basket is its means its. Whose kittens? That is pronoun. Number 7. Paul and Paula came to our house last night. Okay, here number 7. Uh, the house at the end of the street is ours. Street is ours. Our means adjective, ours means pronoun. 7 number. Street is our. Street is ours means adjective. You can use both. Here our means adjective and ours means pronoun. We can use both. Question number 8. Brinda was screaming at the door. Doctors were putting antiseptic on her wounds. Her here adjective. Adjective. Her wounds, okay. Those screams were hers. Here hers is pronoun. Her and hers. Question number 9. This personal trainer means my personal trainer. My here my is adjective. 9 number. Makes me exercise for more than an hour every day. 10 number. I have worked to improve the quality of my work. What have you done to improve yours? To improve yours. Yours means pronoun. So all these are discussed that are whether noun, pronoun or adjective. I think we have to practice a lot to understand this subject matter well. Next point, state whether the highlighted words are pronoun or adjectives. Okay, let's discuss. And here C number, let's discuss about this one. I think we have to change the page number 929 and C number. State whether the highlighted words are pronoun or adjective. Okay. Number 1. Whose books have you brought with you? Whose here adjective and you is pronoun. First one is adjective. And second one is pronoun. Number 2. Who is that girl standing next to Nitin? Who here? Who is pronoun? Pronoun. Number 3. These mangoes here adjective. Here these is adjective. Number 4. Those are the most beautiful flowers I have ever seen. This is those here pronoun. Those is pronoun. Number is pronoun. Number 5 number. I have decided to donate my pocket money. Number 5. My pocket money. Here my is adjective and what will you do with yours means pronoun. First one is adjective. Second one is pronoun. 6 number. His designs have won him many awards. His here adjective. And him pronoun. Him here is number 6. 7 number. Which team here adjective. Which team there is adjective. 8 number question. What do you want to do next? What here? What is pronoun? Question number 9. Which of these car? Which of these car? That is also pronoun. What? That is my pen. That is my pen. Here that pronoun and my pen is adjective. First one is pronoun, second one is adjective. 11th question. People living in small towns are usually friendlier than house. Here house is those living in metropolitan cities. 11 number is pronoun. 12 number to discuss. Won't you return those books? Those books means adjective. Those belongs here. Those pronoun. To them is pronoun. Means first adjective, pronoun. Adjective, then pronoun. Second one is first one those adjective. Second one those pronoun. And third one then is pronoun. So you know when we use adjective and when we use pronoun, you have to know very well. So I hope you did you understand, student? Yes, students, you can open page number 33 and let's see. Say which of these highlighted words is not a pronoun. Okay. So let's discuss. Number one, whose mobile phone is laying on the table? Is it yours? First number question, whose, that is adjective. And second one is pronoun. Yeah, you can write. Whose is adjective. Here, whose adjective. Number two, I feel these are superior to those. These both are pronouns. Both are pronouns. Question number three, my Cunningham asks us to do it in this manner. Here this is adjective. This adjective. Number four, our teacher says that one must do one's best. One must do one's best. Here that is pronoun. That pronoun. Number five, do look into that matter. Number five, that is here. That matter is adjective. Here that is adjective. Question number six, which factory are you visiting this afternoon? Here 6 number. Which factory are you visiting this afternoon? Which these? The both are adjective. Adjective. 7 number. Few escaped unhurt that night. That night means adjective because describing the night. That is adjective. Question number 8. Who took the book that I bought from that shop? Who took? Who is here pronoun? That book, that adjective. Yes, I bought from that shop, that is also adjective. Yes, here both that are adjective. And the first one is who. Who is here pronoun? And both that are adjective. Question number 9. This is the girl who lost her keys at the shopping mall. This is the girl. This is pronoun. Who also pronoun. These and who both are pronoun. Number 10. each of the sisters, each of the sisters has worked hard to achieve this. So both are each and these pronouns. Each and these both are pronouns. So this is page number 33 and long. All this I discussed. I hope you have understood. So now students, we will discuss about the next point. We will discuss about the practice. Second number, question answer we have discussed. Complete the each sentences using the indefinite pronoun. One pronoun can be used more than once. Okay. So here, and we shall discuss A number. Dash will believe. Here, dash means nobody. B number is practice. Nobody will believe. Yes. Me, if I say that I have seen ghosts, कोई विश्वास नहीं करेंगे कि मैं भूत देखा हूँ. A long time ago, I had visited Nainital and stayed at a guest house that anyone had ever stayed in. Anyone. Yes. When I was walking towards the gate, I heard someone singing in the melodious voice. However, I could not see nobody. Nobody will know one. Nobody. Someone must be around. I thought to myself. Let's see. I walked into the spacious front porch and knocked on the door. Someone or each came to open the door. Here each came to open the door. I pushed the door open and went in. At a distance from where I was standing, I could see anyone lighting the lamps. Anyone lighting the lamps. Then someone of the rooms were well lit and neat and clean. Someone, okay? Someone. Could see someone lighting the lamps. Okay, someone. Each, then anyone, then someone. Okay, someone lighting the lamp. Then after, students, once again you see, I just told something error. Here you have to do nobody came to open the door. Here nobody. Here nobody came to open the doors. Then after we see someone then came to open the door. I pushed the door open and I went in. At a distance from where I was standing, I could see someone lighting the lamp. Yes, someone lighting the lamp. Someone lighting the lamp. Here. Someone lighting the lamp. All of the rooms were well lit and neat and clean. Here all neat and clean. Then see each one of these. Each of the rooms were well lit and neat and clean. Then after we see, is anyone there? Is anyone there? Next one, is anyone there? Then can someone please come here? Someone please come here. I asked. No sooner had I uttered these words, I felt someone walk past me. There's someone walk past me. And after, but I saw nobody. I saw nobody. Finally, what about that woman whom I had seen? I turned around, but there was no sign of anyone. Yes. So students, once again I can repeat that you can see these answers I just tell. There are some errors, you can correct it. First one, nobody, then anyone, then someone, then anyone, someone, nobody, then someone, each, anyone, someone, nobody, anyone. This is the sequence of answer. You have to recorrect and you have to practice it. Now student, B number. Here, join the sets of sentence using suitable relative pronoun. You have to join it. And I read the passage and I have to directly answer. The one number, the woman lives down the street, the woman is living town. Okay, the woman who lives down the street is living town. Here 2 times woman, no need of writing, relative pronoun we can use. Number 2, I enjoy swimming. Swimming is a fine exercise. Okay, I enjoy swimming, which is a fine exercise. सेकंड बार जो स्विमिंग है इसको हट जाएगा यानी which आ जाएगा. Number 3, the teacher who is on leave today has recently joined. The question is the teacher is on leave today, he is recently joined. Okay, so here the teacher he, so you have to add the teacher who is on leave today has recently joined. The answer is the teacher who is on leave today has recently joined. Now for the students' parents were congratulated, the students had scored the highest marks. 2 times students, so you have to write the students whose parents were congratulated had scored the highest marks. Number 5, fresh vegetables are available at the local market. The local market is nearby. 2 times local market, so इसको हटा देंगे. Fresh vegetables are available at the local market that is nearby. That is nearby. Yeah, the local market हटके that is आ जाएगा. Number 6, you met Mr. Som recently. He is a very talented artist. You met Mr. Som recently, who is very talented artist. Who is very. 7 number, you are supposed to meet the client. The clients have postponed the meeting. Okay, you are supposed to meet the client who have postponed the meeting. Number 8, the conversation proved useful. I had the conversation with the master of ceremonies. 2 times conversation. So how it is changed? The conversation that I had with the master of ceremony proved useful. Number 9, some children are conscious, they attain success. Some children who are conscious attain success. 10 number, Food and Fun is a spacious restaurant. It is situated close to the bay. Food and Fun, which is spacious. Which is spacious. Okay, इसमें ईट हट जाएगा. Restaurant is situated close to the bay. Number 11, the dog was limping. It has hurt its leg. The dog that was limping has hurt its leg. The dog that was limping has hurt its leg. 12 number, that watch needs a new battery. My father has gifted me that watch. Okay, that watch which my father gifted me needs a new battery. So this is about the question number B. Now in C number, let's find, identify the pronoun in these sentences and state its kind. Let's discuss. Number 1, in the baronial hall lived a proprietor who had 2 sons. Who here? Relative pronoun. Number 2, you cannot have this horse. It's mine. Explain my brother. Here, mine is possessive pronoun. Number 3, Jack, who had been left behind, soon caught up with his brothers. That is who is a relative pronoun. Number 4, Rima took out the new purse which she had picked up on her way to the airport. That is which is a relative pronoun. Number 5, the horses were theirs, but the goats was his. That is, there is there and his possessive pronoun. 6 number, the Taj Mahal, which is one of the wonders of the world, is in Agra. 6 numbers, which is relative pronoun. I knocked on the door several times, but no one answered. 7 number, I is personal pronoun. Several, no one, indefinite pronoun. 8 number, several of them had heard strange sounds in the basement. Several here, indefinite pronoun. Number 9, I myself will do this. I, personal pronoun. Myself is emphatic pronoun. Don't ask anyone for help with the assignment. Do it yourself. Here, 10 number, anyone, indefinite, yourself, reflexive pronoun. 11 number, the detective were afraid that they wouldn't be able to free themselves from the captors. Here, that is relative pronoun, themselves, reflexive pronoun. 12 number, the children shouted out and waved to one another, reciprocal pronoun. This is about this page number 34 and 35. All these different types of pronoun we have to identify. Now D number, this is the last one of this exercise. You have to find it. Number 1, don't blame yourself for the confusion. Nobody is perfect. The answer is nobody. Number 2, there is anything or something in my tea. There is something in my tea. Number 3, my bosses were happy with the presentation. Here, everything went as we had planned. Everything went with the answer. Nobody or somebody lives in that house. It is dark and dingy. Here answer is nobody lives in that house. 5 number, could you give me something to drink, please? Something. Number 5, something. 6 number, the investigators found the weapons everywhere or somewhere near the woods. 6 number's answer is somewhere. The investigators found the weapons somewhere near the woods. 7 number, everyone or nowhere you go, or everywhere you go is the correct one. Everywhere you go, you will find good people and bad. 8 number, don't be angry with me. I didn't do anything wrong. Yes, that is 8 number. 9 number, everything that we did to save the animals was useful. Everything that we did. That is the correct one. 10 number, several or no one. Means several is the right answer. Several of them turned off at our new place. 11 number, Anil and Ratan are brothers. Both are good singers. Not any, both are. Last one, all is well that ends well. Not everybody. All is well that ends well. Yes, student, this is all this chapter exercise of chapter number 3, pronouns, and I hope you have to need more reading, more practicing, and more improving your English grammar. So study well and then you shall proceed. So have a good day and meet you once again. Goodbye.